Why can't I feel the vibration in my Android device even though vibration is on? So if you cannot feel the vibration in your Android device even though vibration is on, two things. First, you might have turned on do not disturb mode, or you might have turned on power saving mode. So these two modes actually try to disable the haptic feedback in order to save battery and in order to not disturb you whenever you're on do not disturb mode. If this both is not the case, then what you can do is a couple of things. So first, open up settings and look for your sound and vibration settings. In the Samsung phone, I can go to sound and vibration. Here I can scroll down and you can see system vibration. First of all, you can check for which vibration it is that you are trying to look for and see if that toggle is enabled. Second, you can try to check for the vibration intensity. So go to vibration intensity and make sure to check if the vibration intensity is set to the maximum in this case. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.